everyone, I'm Dr. Goodrich. I'm a conservation biologist, which means I use science to help protect wildlife. I am the chief scientist for Panthera.
Panthera uses science to save wild cats.
For the past 25 years, I've dedicated my life to studying and protecting wild tigers and other big cats like leopards, snow leopards, and lynx. Now, tigers are an endangered species, and that means that their numbers are declining and there are very few left in the wild. So what happened? Why are there so few tigers right now? First, over the past 100 years, people cut down much of the forest where tigers lived and turned that forest into farm fields and cities where tigers can't live. But also, nowadays, people kill tigers for money, even though it's against the law everywhere where tigers live. Now, that's called poaching, when people kill animals when it's against the law. And of course, poaching is a bad thing. It's a very bad thing for tigers. So, my job is to increase wild tiger numbers, and I do that by finding ways to stop poachers and ways to improve and expand the forests where tigers live. Fewer poachers and more and better forests means more tigers. I'm especially interested in the tigers in a wildlife sanctuary called Wai Kang, which is part of this huge patch of forest in western Thailand.
Wai Kang is also called HKK.
We know there are tigers there, but we don't know if the tigers are just passing through the wildlife sanctuary on their way to someplace else, or if maybe there's actually a group of tigers actually living there.
Is there a resident population?
Now, resident population means an area where a group of tigers stays and they raise their families. It's a place the group of tigers calls home.
Tigers have cubs in places they call home.
And of course, if tigers are having cubs, that means, you guessed it, more tigers. And that means we're doing the right things to protect tigers, and the tigers will start moving out of Wai Kang and start populating the whole forest, a huge patch of forest around it. My hypothesis is that there is a resident population of tigers in Wai Kang Wildlife Sanctuary.
A hypothesis is an idea you can test.
Tigers are really difficult to spot in the wild. They're very secretive and they're really well camouflaged. So to test my hypothesis, we need to look for clues that tigers leave behind.
Clues like paw prints, scratch marks, poop, spray, the presence of animals tigers like to prey on, and cubs.
Now, I'm a really busy guy, and I'm too busy working on cats in Africa and South America over the next couple of months to go out and test this hypothesis about tigers in Wai Kang. So, I've asked my good friends, Beth and Curtis, to go to Thailand to look for signs of resident tiger population. I would also like them, with your help, to do a survey of birds they encounter in the field while testing the hypothesis. Thailand has an amazing diversity of bird life, all kinds of different birds there. And Wai Kang is one of the best places to look for birds in Southeast Asia. Now, depending on what you guys discover, I may be able to publish your findings so that others can use your information to help with tiger conservation efforts. So thank you for testing my hypothesis. Good luck, and I'm really looking forward to learning about your discoveries. Bye now.
Thanks, Dr. Goodrich. Now we have our hypothesis.
Thailand, here we come.
Yeah.
Go